Good morning, this is your daily outlook for Thursday the 29th of September. The euro rebounded against its major counterparts during today's Asian session ahead of the German Parliament vote on the European Financial Stability Facility. Risk sentiment in the market recovered as investors expect the vote for an extension of the EFSF rescue funds to pass. Failure for the vote to pass may increase the risk for a Eurozone debt contagion. German Chancellor Angela Merkel said that Germany will do everything that is needed to support Greece and expects the next tranche of funding to be given in order to avoid a catastrophic default. Versus the US dollar, the single currency declined to 135.19 from 136.89, and today it rebounded to trade as high as 136.38. Against the Japanese yen, the euro dipped to 103.30 from 104.50, but today the pair recovered to trade at 104.37. The US dollar got a boost during the US session yesterday after durable goods orders showed better than expected figures. Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke spoke yesterday and expressed concerns about the country's slow growth, saying that stubbornly high unemployment is a national crisis. Against the Swiss franc, the US dollar rose to 0.9021 from 0.8925. Against the Japanese yen, the greenback edged higher to 76.63 from 76.33. Focus now turns to the initial jobless claims and gross domestic product expected later today. The Australian dollar rallied versus the dollar today, rebounding to 0.9826, up from yesterday's low of 0.9710. Heightened risk appetite as well as higher stocks and commodity prices pushed the Aussie higher. The British pound also recovered yesterday's losses against the dollar to trade as high as 156.49 from 155.47. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices fall to $79.50 a barrel from $84.59. Gold edged lower yesterday to $1,582.95 an ounce from $1,669.40. Silver also ticked lower yesterday to $29.08 an ounce from $32.70. Let's take a look at the currencies this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 136.90 with a preference to enter into short positions at 136.90. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 76.70 with a preference to enter into short positions at 76.70. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 0.9845 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9845. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 156.75 with a preference to enter into short positions at 156.75. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 102.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.50. Looking at commodities now, the oil pivot point is at 82.65 with a preference to enter into short positions at 82.65. The gold pivot point is at 1640 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1640. And the silver pivot point is at 32.85 with a preference to enter into short positions at 32.85. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit our website. On today's calendar, the market movers are the Europe consumer confidence in September forecast to fall to minus 18.9, Europe economic confidence in September forecast to fall to 96, Europe industrial confidence in September forecast to fall to minus 4.9, US gross domestic product final in quarter two forecast to gain 1.2%, and US initial jobless claims forecast to fall to 420,000. Now on to equity markets. US equities were negative yesterday with the SP 500 down 2.07% and the Dow was down 1.61%. European bourses were also negative with the FTSE down 1.44%, the DAX was down 0.89% and the CAC was down 0.92%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.56% and the Hang Seng was closed due to a typhoon in the region and a decision will be made shortly whether to reopen. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.